If you're experiencing a login failure in Rocket League with error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by checking other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, etc., and install any available updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.